GetResponse is a well-known email marketing provider. Trusted by over 350,000 businesses in 182 countries, used to increase sales by 200%. Today we talk about the topic: how to register and make money with GetResponse affiliate program. Detailed content includes 5 items. 1. GetResponse affiliate program. 2. How to register GetResponse affiliate program. 3. Why I do GetResponse affiliate program. 4. Benefits of the GetResponse affiliate program. 5. Important information to know before making GetResponse affiliate program. Now we go to the first item. GetResponse offers you 2 programs to choose. The affiliate recurring program pays 33% of the monthly payment of each referred customer. The affiliate bounty program pays $100 in one-time payments of each referred customer. Now we come to the second item: how to register GetResponse affiliate program. We open the website browser and access GetResponse.com. A great GetResponse app opens instantly. After the GetResponse application is opened, we scroll to the bottom of the website. Then we click on Affiliate Program, located at the bottom left corner. Next we click on Sign Up Free. Here you see 2 GetResponse affiliate programs. You can choose Affiliate Recurring Program or Affiliate Bounty Program, however you want. With Affiliate Recurring Program you receive recurring commissions when customers pay. With Affiliate Bounty Program you get a one-time commission. Registration is the same. So in this video I choose Affiliate Recurring Program as a model. Then fill in all the fields. After filling all the fields, click Create Account. So we're done 50%. Now we check the email to activate. You open the email, then click Activate your account. Continue to click Login. Fill in the correct email address and password, then click Log in. On the screen, you see your affiliate link. Copy and save it. Put the mouse pointer on your name on the screen that appears, then select My Account. Fill in all fields, then click Confirm and Submit. Then you select the payout details item. Fill in the correct PayPal email, click Save. So we're 100% done. In the description, I put a link to help you create a PayPal email. Now we start with the third item: the reason I joined the GetResponse affiliate program. A. No need to own the product. You just need to find customers, then guide them to good practice. B. Just promote. You do not have to deliver or support. C. High commission level is the attraction of affiliate marketing. Next we go to the fourth item: benefits of GetResponse affiliate program. A. GetResponse affiliate program has 120-day cookie-long cookie duration, supports 30-day free trial. B. Unlimited commission. C. Detailed statistics. You have access to all your referral stats to keep up to date with how much you earn. D. Free marketing content. Free promotional materials include banners, videos, and sales copy. Next we go to the fifth item: Important information to know before doing GetResponse affiliate. A. What are cookies? Is a file that affiliate marketing programs create to save customer website browsing information. For example, a customer clicks on your GetResponse affiliate link. The website browser stores your cookie for 120 days. B. What is last click? All marketing programs implement the last click mechanism. That means a customer clicks on the affiliate link of person A first but does not make a purchase. After a few days they click on the affiliate link of person B and make a purchase. The commission is given to person B that is given to the affiliate link that the guest clicked last, the new cookie. C. Who can I advertise to? GetResponse is perfect for anyone who needs an online marketing solution. Entrepreneurs, small businesses, nonprofits or any business sector with an online marketing strategy. D. Who is the GetResponse affiliate program for? GetResponse affiliate programs are completely free to join, and you won't have to pay any fees. E. How do I receive payment? GetResponse pays your monthly commission around the 20th of every month. If this is the first payment, GetResponse may hold the payment for 1 to 3 months for anti-fraud checks. Thank you very much for taking the time to review. Subscribe to our channel to get more interesting information.